Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Beth. Welcome to our Scientific Wednesday class. I'll help you understand the different things around us. Today, we are going to talk about the 5 R's of responsible waste management. Which kind of future can you imagine? A clean and prosperous one? Or a wasteland? This picture will most likely happen if we fail to generate solid waste and fail to deal with it properly. It's no secret that we generate a lot of trash. Solid waste have two different types. What are the two types of solid waste? Knowing the difference between them help in managing them properly. First is the biodegradable waste. What is biodegradable waste? These waste materials can decay and be composted. Examples of biodegradable materials are leftover foods. Second is a non-biodegradable waste. These waste materials do not decay or take a very long time to decay. What are examples of non-biodegradable? Non-biodegradable materials can be categorized as recyclable like plastics, residual materials like rubber and textile which can be sent to material recovery facility, and hazardous waste like hospitals and factory waste. This needs to be disposed carefully and properly away from residential area. This is because it can contaminate the soil as well as water. This is why we do not simply dispose of waste materials in just one trash bin. Practicing waste management at home while you are young is the best course of action to keep our environment clean. You can do this through the 5R method. What is the 5R's method of waste management? Reduce, reuse, recover, repair, and recycle. First is reduce. It means to lessen the amount of garbage produced. How can we reduce waste? You can reduce waste by using an eco bag when going to the grocery instead of availing plastic bags provided. Using metal straws, spoon, and fork instead of availing plastic utensils from fast food restaurants. And bringing your own water container instead of buying water every now and then. Second R is reuse. It means using the materials again for a different purpose. You can do this by reusing plastic bottles and containers for your drink and food storage. But be careful! You can only reuse for a number of times depending on what is indicated in the label. If it exceeds the limit of using, you can still reuse to our next method, which is the third R, recycle. It means creating new products out of waste materials. Get ready to be creative. What can be recycled? What can you create out of plastic spoon? Maybe a candle holder. How about with water bottle? It can be a flower pot. How about with plastic straws? Maybe a star lantern or a parole. In this way, we were able to reuse waste by creating something out of them. The fourth R is recover. It means getting back or converting waste to another form of raw material that can be used by product manufacturer. Dispose your waste properly and make sure that it goes to a material recovery facility. This facility will sort out glass, paper, bottles, food waste into products such as fertilizer and biofuel from food waste and newly shaped glass bottles for food containers. The final R is repair. It means restoring or replacing a broken part of a material. If you have old clothes, scratched paper, or broken chair, it doesn't mean that you have to buy a new one. Again, it's time to be creative. Torn clothes can be sewn. Scratch paper into a notebook. Broken chairs can be repaired or converted to a table stand. Practice 5 R's and invite your family and friends to join you in this mission to keep the environment healthy. If we encourage all people to do the same, our future will most likely look like this. I hope you learned a lot today and apply this learning in your daily life.